You can also georeference a PDF, and what this will allow you to do is connect multiple images together, maybe using a match line or using some type of coordinate. And if you have coordinates in your project, you could also use those to place the image properly within your plan view based on the coordinate system that is shown on the PDF. So again, using the same vector PDF that I imported, I'm going to right click and go to georeference vector PDF, which you can see I can also get to from the CAD tab using this command over here. So I'm going to click georeference vector PDF, and I can do it on this one because I know that there happens to be coordinates on this particular plan. So if I come in here and zoom in here, you can see that I have a couple coordinates. I have a coordinate here and I have a coordinate here. So I can place this based on that. Now I'd probably look around to see if there's something a little bit further away, and I don't see anything, so I'm just going to use that. Now you can also add a rectangular clipping, so if I don't want the boundary or the border, I could come in here and apply a clipping boundary. So if I wanted to, I could just pick simply inside or within this boundary area here, and picking an upper left corner and a lower right corner. I can then choose a pixel and then a location. So if I was to come in here, the pixel location is going to be the center, or where this intersects. You can see that it's actually snapping to that point. So that's my point A, and my location is going to be 3679.008.26 space 118.21.080.60. I'm going to tab down and I'm going to place this next one. You can see it kind of gives you a glyph of where that's going to end up. So down here I can do the same thing, pick this point here and enter in 3679.171.91. And then once I tab out of that, oops, forgot the other coordinate. So let's put in 118.20.982.31. So again, the little arrow tells you, hey, you got something, you did something wrong, so it's a nice little warning. So I'm going to tab there, and now you can see that I can register this image, and you can see it gives me a couple vectors where it's going to end up. So when I click register, it's going to take it, it's going to move it, it's going to rotate it, it's going to scale it all in one shot. Now I can do the same thing and repeat this with this next image, where I can come in and vector or georeference that one as well based off the match line. Now what you want to do for that one, the second one, just move it over your first one, just kind of move it off to the side so that it doesn't show up when you do this and georeferences vector PDF. You'll see that it comes in into this blank area, and then I'm able to, you can see the scale difference. So what I can do here is look for coordinates as well, or I could use the match line if I don't have coordinates. I could pick this match line here or find something in this image and match it to this one over here. But in this case I do have one coordinate, and I should have another coordinate on this project. If I don't, then I could use a second point. So here again I can apply the rectangle, and I could go from here to here, and then my first point, I know I have a coordinate here, so let's use that one, and that's going to be 3679.220.48 space 118.220.40.65. And then for the next one, since I don't have that one, what I can use is something down here. So if I look around, I can find something within this image that matches on the other image, and it's probably in between these two match lines here. So I'm going to snap to this break in this contour line here as my point B, and I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to find that same point over here on this section and click register, and now you'll see that it overlays the image with the other image.